Hi, welcome back to the channel, and today we're going to be looking at something out of Alex's collection. So Alex, can you explain this to us what this is?
So this is a remote control Heng Long Tiger 1.
Tiger 1, okay, yeah, and you've done some camouflage paint on this, I see, and put some foliage on there. Okay, right, can you turn it on so we can see what it does then, please?
Right. First you have to open this hatch, and then there's an on and off button.
Okay.
Flick that on. The lights will start flickering. Yeah, there we go. Now on my controller, I'll flick the button up. There we go. And now we can start not the King Tiger, sorry. The
Tiger 1, yeah. There we go. Well, it's quite loud, isn't it? Yeah?
Yeah.
So let's show the turret moving then. Oh, that's good. Yeah. See it going forward and backwards and that then, yeah?
That's that side. Show the other side.
Okay, yeah, move backwards and forwards, Alex. There you go. A little bit forward. It's very good, isn't it? It's quite realistic. This one got smoke, isn't it? Can you put the smoke on so we can see it? Nothing better to see that. We'll give that a minute. We'll move up and backwards and forwards, perhaps that will help it. Yeah, these are quite good models. We quite like collecting them, don't we?
Yeah.
Alex sometimes takes your tanks for a walk, don't you?
Yeah.
Most people take a dog for a walk. We take remote control tiger tanks about, don't we?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. I don't think we've. Oh, I don't know if we just about to. I don't know if you can see this, right? I don't know if you can see it on the camera. You might be able to. Yes, you can. There you can see. That's smoke. So that's going now, isn't it? Yeah, move back and forth and look for the smoke. Oh, you can see it now. Okay, yeah, that's good. And did it fire? Can you fire the gun for us, Alex? Yeah, and machine gun? We've got a lot. Yeah, so I think it's good. I think it's a nice little vehicle, isn't it? Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, turn it off then so we can hear what you think about it. There we go, right. It's quiet again now. Right, so in general, Alex, what would you give out of 10 really?
I'd give it definitely 11.
11. Okay, right, there you go. There you go. That's Alex's version. We've got, like I say, we've got about 3 or 4 of these Heng Long tanks, haven't we, in our collections? They're okay. I mean, you can upgrade them with all different parts and that. I mean, we haven't bothered, have we?
Yeah.
On some of the others, I've had to stick the wheels back on sometimes, and that, haven't I? Because they fell off as we're driving them about. But yeah, in general, if you're just looking for something like we do, that looks good in the collection, not too serious, a remote control model, and we use them in the garden, don't we?
Yeah.
I mean, Alex, as I said earlier, he'll even take you for a walk to the shops and back, won't you? The batteries last quite well, don't they? Yeah. You know, they are what they are, really. And I think they're around about, I can't remember how much you pay for this, do you? About £200?
About that much?
Well, around that sort of money, aren't they? £150, £200, something like that. Yeah. I mean, you can get them cheaper second hand. I mean, I've got a Tiger as well, Mark 1. I think one was £80 off eBay, second hand. There's nothing the matter with it, yeah? And I've painted mine up in snow camouflage. We'll get that out one day. But yeah, overall, they're quite a nice little item for your collection, aren't they, Alex?
Yeah, lovely.
Yeah, okay, well, I think that'll do for today.
Yeah.
Do you want to say anything else, Alex?
Yeah, remember to like, subscribe, and if you want to look at anything from our collection more closer, just ask us in the comments. We'll have a look.
Okay, well, thank you very much. Bye.
Bye.